Yeah,
Alright, guys.
oxo coconut is Jamaica yard man style, no?
Yeah. Exactly. Guys, we're getting ready to make sweet potato pudding. So oxing out the coconut, as you can see. We have the sweet potato over here washing it. So we're going to show you how to make some good sweet potato pudding. So we have to ox it out and then grate it.
This is how you ox out coconut. You start on the edges, right?
Careful, not cut yourself.
When the coconut is too big like this, you have to crack it, like knock it and
Break it again.
break it one more time. Yeah. Coconut looks sweet though.
Yeah, it looks nice. Ready for eat.
Ready.
Alright, the sweet potato. Cut it up. Peeling it. You know, so you can shut in that video too.
Alright, peeling the potato there. This is a yellow.
Them say
Yellow
too
belly
much
potato.
rat dig hole when it comes to cooking when you have enough hands, ain't good.
Faster.
Coconut oxo, no?
You will wash that and cut it up first and blend it. I just the potato grater, you know.
Oh yeah, blend the coconut.
Some people blend like potato too, but no, grater it.
So you prefer for grated?
But I need grater.
Then pudding come out better that way. So the potato is gonna be grated and the coconut is gonna be blended. So the ingredients for the sweet potato pudding, yeah, you need sweet potato. We're using 4 pounds sweet potato, 1 big coconut. You 300 off of that. The coconut expensive. Sugar, flour,
Little cornmeal.
some cornmeal,
And spices, not the egg.
spices, nutmeg, vanilla. So you get the custard on top of it.
So I'm sure you have to do that.
Me love my potato pudding with custard. The on top of it. Alright guys, so we're gonna pause for now. As you can see, we're cutting up. We're gonna come back when we're grating and deliver my own. We're now cutting up the coconut to be blended.
Cut up and
You taste it? Tastes good?
sweet man.
Yeah, nice.
Sweet. No, we can. Everything done. You can blend on here.
Blend and straight.
See blend man. Right.
Alright, so blend it now.
Oh, it's a blend. Alright, blend.
Sorry. Grater your noise. I want to just say.
Alright guys, so you don't have to do this way. It's a bit more tedious. You can blend it out
Blend with the milk, coconut milk.
with coconut milk.
We added the ingredients. now. You should have blend it. A week out. It's not normally do this.
Yeah, let go. Alright. God open my hole for the door for me. I say, God, you're good, you know. God, real. God say, fool say in their heart that there is no God. So them stupid. If you're a fool, you're going to say anything, you know. You know, only a fool will say anything.
So after you finish grater, you have to throw away the bump or the pudding now.
The bump. That's when you're making pudding, you won't see any lump.
Look here.
Take it up. Get a little spine. I can't get it finish.
Oh, that daddy.
Daddy, we're gone.
How would they? How would they going to be a fool?
I mean, carrot got me hard.
I'll be your food.
Oh. Good workout for the hand.
Good with it.
Build those muscles.
Yeah, really talk over it.
Almost done. That's the nutmeg, one of the spices that you're gonna go in the pudding. So we have little salt, some cornmeal, the vanilla, and cinnamon powder, and some butter for the potato pudding. First you have your nutmeg. Smell nice. So this is the coconut milk. So after you blend the coconut milk or milk it, strain it, the strainer. Now you're gonna put in the rest of the stuff then. So you must get sliced.
Got you? Got the camera?
A dance, a dance.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
Celebrate like every
Yes,
day,
bro.
no, not one time. Ever and move on time.
My time. Subsy.
Up the lands up, I'm like a landmine.
Alright guys, so we're gonna put in the rest of the ingredients right now. That's the sweet potato, all grated. I'm gonna add the flour. How much flour you think you add to 4 pounds of sweet potato?
Wow, you don't want too much flour in it.
It's about half pound flour. You don't want too much flour in there.
To give it some
Like
body.
a snow mountain.
Flour all it together.
Oh, okay. So So that's the flour and the sweet potato. Now adding the cornmeal.
So a little bit of cornmeal. And the flour powder.
So I showed this here initially.
You need to open for light.
Hold on.
You mix it all together, I want it lump up.
Right, like, yeah, you like it.
Yeah.
So you mix it out, you don't want it lump up.
You mix it in, yeah, because if you add the, you don't want to get lumps.
So, you need it to like. Yeah, when you do, you can make.
Like it now, yeah.
That's what I want to eat.
Preheat the oven. Yeah, add the sugar. About how much sugar? Nutmeg. So to recap, the sweet potato, the flour, the cornmeal, sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon. Adding the cinnamon right now. Little salt. Mix it all together. Then the coconut milk. Real coconut milk.
Just put the sugar to taste. You don't want it too sweet.
So she's been cooking since she was 12. And she had 12. She had pro. But she could not cook so good. You don't put all that coconut milk. Because you don't make it soft. Yeah.
You have to eat with spoon.
I know, right?
Put so much coconut milk in. You don't want that. This is texture.
That's the consistency of it.
Vanilla, yes. Get the vanilla.
I'll put in some vanilla.
Some melted butter.
And some melting. That's for the custard?
No. You leave a little coconut milk. Now mix the sugar. When it never finish. Yeah.
Put it on top.
Put it on top. Get the custard.
Some melting butter. Where you put off melted butter? Vanilla?
Vanilla first.
Then the melting butter. So how long you make it bake for? About 30 minutes?
Depends.
45 hours?
Sometimes it take for 45 minutes.
Sometimes take what?
4 hours.
2 hours?
Depends.
Wow.
Come on, sugar.
This is something you can make and wait for in a curfew time. So late. So she just tastes it and determines that it needs a little bit more sugar.
Spice.
A little bit more spice. I say it look like oats porridge. Type consistency.
Come on, let me egg. Did I get that one? I'm gonna like it.
Keep mixing. In the meanwhile, the pot them might get grease and preheat the oven. So when I come back when we you not add nothing more to it. That's it.
No, that's it.
Okay.
And so, we talk to Nathaniel, please. Boom, 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 boom. See, shut up for you. Relax. Good girl. Feel it quite easily.
One big pudding for me and two little pudding for me.
Ready? Big up Nathaniel.
Oh, that's so much I love pudding.
Big up Nathaniel. Have a Nathaniel.
Can you show the coconut on top of it with the sugar for the custard?
When you're ready, it's still. Get some custard in it. I'm supposed that milk. So the one you're not ready for it.
No. I put it until it
bake.
can you show the coconut on top of it with the sugar for the custard?
When you're ready, it's still. Get some custard in it. I'm supposed that milk. So the one you're not ready for it.
No. I put it until it
bake.